Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to fold this amazing, incredible and super fast roblox flicker. I learned this from my favorite inspiration, Jeremy Shafer Origami. You can visit him. Link in description. So let's move to our video. So friend, for this origami model, you'll need any square paper. I am using Tittle origami paper. So if you want to buy these origami papers, link in description. So let's start by folding this point to this point like this, and we don't have to fold it full, we just have to make a pinch mark like this. Okay, it's done. So again repeat the same process on the other side like this, like okay, this. Then just fold these and these points to this middle point. So let's do this. Then rotate and again do the same. Very precise folds, otherwise this flicker will be something crumbly. Some wrinkles will be there inside this flicker like this. And then again, this is the last time. Now we have a blends here, so let's make another blends on this paper. Let's fold it like this, and every single corner has to be completely in middle like this. See, it has to be really precise. And it's like a mailbox. Okay, now we have folded our blends again, crease it neatly. Now unfold. Now we have to fold it in half like this. Same on the other sides. Again like this, and then like this here. Again, same on this side. Again. Now we have done. So now we have to push this at back and fold this like this. Otherwise this will what happen, when we will fold, this long point will come out. So that's why we have to push it and again fold it. It's a little bit of hard, but I know you can do it. So let's do it on all of the other sides like this. Okay, again you see, neatly precise folds. Okay, about these papers, these are really premium quality papers, and especially they are very thin but strong. I didn't thought that these will really strong. Yeah, really strong. Then this is a little bit tricky part. So we have to take this point to this point like this, to the same on the other sides here like this, neatly. Now again do the same. Now this will not be like the tricky part. So just open this, and now you will have to make a square. There are only lines, there are creases there. You have to only fold them and again push it like this and do the same in this side. Oopsie, that was my mistake. Yeah, this is right. Okay, so let's repeat the same process on this and this corner. Let's start. Okay, this is also pretty good. Nice. Again on this side. Okay, don't be messed up. Okay, this is pretty good. So this color combination is really good of these papers. I really like these papers. Yeah. Okay. Good. Now just do the same with the side like this. Now we have done with all of the 4 sides. Then we have to just unfold one and one and one. Then we have to unfold again one and one, this and again this. So then this is a little bit of tricky part. So we have to just fold opposite sides, 2 opposite sides on creases like this, and then see these 2 are the corners. We have to tuck these corners inside of these flaps. Wait a minute, I will show you how it looks. See, like this. We have to stuck these inside this. So let's repeat the same process with all of the 4s. Just bend the paper a little bit and again done. It's pretty simple. So at the second time it's really easy because it's locked with the others. Sometimes it just removes, but nothing to be feared. This is a little bit tricky, yeah. Okay, done. I'll make this and show you again. Okay. Please. Oh yeah. This has been locked. Okay, now just go inside this. Okay. Oh man. This is really tricky. Oh, don't be wrinkles. No. Hey, yeah. Okay. Now this will be a little bit of easy. Now just push these inside of the. Okay, done. Yay! Our Roblox flicker is ready. So before playing with this, just we have to really make these precise, fold and sharp so that stays flat. Again, make these precise, otherwise it will inflate in air and just drop down. So to avoid that, you have to do this. Okay, this is now good and flat like this one.